I am Professor N.K. Chadha. I welcome you to this course of cross-culture psychology. The entire course spans around 15 weeks time, in which I will be sharing with you the recurrent themes that have tended to shape the study of cross-cultural psychology. The objective of this course is to unravel the roots of cross-cultural psychology. I am making an attempt to understand the cross-cultural perspectives in psychology because many of us who engaged in this exploration were committed empirical psychologists. Substantial efforts were devoted to the questions of how culture might foster and even create different forms of psychological processes, and how one could identify, demonstrate consequences of such cross-cultural divergent psychological processes. These questions were raised and addressed with respect to some central topics of psychology, including cognition, emotion, communication, self, and identity. Let me introduce you with the week-wise schedule of the entire course on cross-cultural psychology. Week 1 comprises of 2 modules in which we know the nature and meaning of culture. We will learn the importance and influence of culture in individuals. The second module highlights the modes of thought in cross-cultural psychology. In week 2, we will overview the role of cultural transmission in regulating the intergenerational relations across various cultures. Within the 2 modules, we will elaborate the models of mechanisms and barriers in cultural transmission. Week 3 comprises of 4 modules in which we discuss the theoretical issues faced by researchers while pursuing cross-cultural research. The other 3 modules draws attention to the methods and approaches within cross-cultural research that can help researchers to deal with theoretical issues and facilitates cross-cultural comparisons. Continuing through week 4 onwards, measurement issues and back translation are 2 modules that succinctly touch modus operandi in cross-cultural research. Further, in week 5 comprises the 4 modules that speaks about the cognitive foundations in cross-cultural psychology. The topics overview the theoretical perspectives underlying culture in understanding basic cognition like perception, learning, and language development of an individual. Continuing through week 6, cross-cultural aspects of higher order cognitive functioning are elaborated in the 3 modules. The cross-cultural studies that compare intelligence, problem solving, skills, and creativity across cultures were few highlights within this week. From week 7 onwards, we will draw our attention to cross-cultural aspects of effective functioning within next 3 modules. The modules shares cross-cultural studies on the basis of emotions, emotional competency, and the emotions observed especially in the Eastern perspective. Week 8 will be a revision and assessment week for you, in which you can revise all that have been covered so far. Week 9 comprises of 2 modules, brings the application of cross-cultural dynamics in the organizational settings. The first modules will highlight the interpersonal dynamics that channelizes through communication within organizations across cultures. The second module points out the development and changes within organizations from the cross-cultural perspectives. Week 10 will tell us about how cross-cultural comparisons are processed in organizational settings. The three modules will discuss decision making in organizations, organizational conflict and values, and organizational conflict across various cultures. From week 11, we will be discussing the cross-cultural aspects of interpersonal relationships, the three interesting processes, that is conformity, values and socialization of gender roles, are the bedrocks of any interpersonal relationships. These processes are discussed from the cross-cultural perspective. In week 12, we will introduce acculturation in two modules. The first module will overview and gives a bird's eye view of the phenomena of acculturation. The second module shares the strategies that is been used by natives and immigrants in the process of acculturation. Continue through the week 13. The two modules in coming week will share the behavioral responses of the acculturate individual. They also shares the settings in which phenomena of acculturation can vary for the immigrant and the natives. Week 14 will give you the overview of the cross-cultural communication. Will be a revision and assessment week for you, in which you can revise all that have been covered so far. Let us start with this course. I wish you all the best for the course. Thank you.